Okay, good morning to everybody. So today we have procurement activities scheduled for today, and we have goods. So we have the members of the bank, the DWG, the secretariat, the procurement unit, uh, the IT, and we have also the those following us on the YouTube channel. Good morning, everybody. So let's proceed with the contract ID PR 2025-08-0119. And we have an approved budget for the contract, 340,000 pesos only. The contract title, the purchase of gasoline for use in the operation of various equipment, vehicles assigned at maintenance section. So we have three uh, bidders, but Upland Oil Incorporation, Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station, and GL Clean Fuel. But Upland Oil Incorporation and GL Clean Fuel have not submitted, no bid submitted. So only Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station had a bid proposal. So may I ask Engineer Alfred Novi to open the bid proposal submitted by Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Uh, Good morning to everybody, and of course to our viewers through YouTube. So we now open the bid proposal of Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station, received at the Back Secretariat Office, 9:29 a.m. August 13. So we have here the request for quotation, uh, certificate of field job registration, valid until October 22, 2025. Have here DTI, you have here the business permit, uh, valid until December 31, 2025. DTI certificate, valid until the validity is from April 4, 2022 to April 4, 2027. Um, the annual income tax return, and the omnibus sword statement. I, Marciana Canaba Taclobaw, of legal age, married, Filipino, and residing at Purok Tres, Bulanao Norte, Tabuk City, having been duly sworn in accordance with the law, do hereby depose and state that I am the sole proprietor of Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station with office address at Purok 6, Bulanao, Tabuk City, Kalinga. As the owner and the sole proprietor of Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station, I have full power and authority to do, execute, and perform any and all acts necessary to participate, submit the bid, and to sign and execute the ensuing contract. Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station is not blacklisted or barred from bidding by the government of the Philippines or any of its agencies, offices, corporations, or local government units, foreign government, foreign or international financing institution whose blacklisting rules have been recognized by the Government Procurement Policy Board. Each of the documents submitted in satisfaction of the bidding requirements is an authentic copy of the original, complete, and all statements and information provided therein are true and correct. Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station is authorizing the head of the procuring entity or its duly authorized representative to verify all documents submitted. The owner or sole proprietor is not related to the head of the procuring entity, members of the Bids and Awards Committee, the Technical Working Group, and the back secretariat, the head of the Project Management Office or the end user unit, and the project consultants by consanguinity or affinity up to the third degree. Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station complies with existing labor laws and standards. Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station is aware and has undertaken the following responsibilities as a bidder. Carefully examine all of the bidding documents, acknowledge all conditions, local or otherwise affecting the implementation of the contract, made an estimate of the facilities available and needed for the contract to be bid, issued for the supply and delivery of the supplies. Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station did not give or pay directly or indirectly any commission, amount fee, or any form of consideration, pecuniary or otherwise, to any officials, personnel, or representative of the government in relation to any procurement project or activity. In case of advance payment was made, given, failure to perform or deliver any of the obligation, and undertaking in the contract shall be sufficient grounds to constitute criminal liability for swindling of the commission of the fraud with unfaithfulness or abuse of confidence through misappropriating or converting any payment received, any person or entity under an obligation involving the duty to deliver certain goods or services to the prejudice of the public and government of the Philippines pursuant to Article 315 of Act Number 3815 Series of 1930 as amended. As personal court. Signed and duly notarized.
Thank you, Sir Alfred. So, since Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station have passed the preliminary evaluation, so may I ask Sir Alfred to read the financial proposal submitted by Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station.
The total bid amount is 325,000.
So, all documents submitted by Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station will turn over to the TWT to further scrutinize and check the validity, the veracity of the document attached, uh, and the TWT will come out with the resolution and recommending approval by the COP. So next, project. We appear the contract ID PR 2025-08-0120, and we have an approved budget for the contract amount to 625,000 pesos only. The contract title, the purchase of tires and batteries for use of service vehicle assigned construction, quality assurance, and planning and design section. We have three bidders. Uh, First, we have the skid marks, tires, and auto supplies. The Third General Auto Specialist Incorporation and Bruno Cleans Vulcanizing and Tire Supply. Again, may I ask Engineer Alfred to open the bid proposal of the three bidders. First is Kidmark, then second, third General Auto Specialist Incorporation, then Bruno Glen Vulcanizing and Tire Supply.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We now open the bid proposal of skid mark tires and auto supply received at the back sectorial office August 13, 2025, 9:15 a.m. We have here the certificate of Field registration, valid until November 6, 2025. Have here the business permit, valid until December 31, 2025. DTI certificate, valid until July 17, 2030. We have here the annual income tax return. We have here the request for quotation. And the omnibus sworn statement. I, Army CCM Socalo of legal age, married Filipino citizen and residing at Arellano Street, Dagupan West, Tabuk City, Kalinga, after having been duly sworn in accordance with the law, do hereby depose and state that I am the sole proprietor of skid marks, tires, and auto supply with the office address at Magsaysay, Tabuk City, Kalinga. As the owner of the sole proprietor, skid mark tires and auto supplies, I have full power and authority to do, execute, and perform any and all acts necessary to represent it in the bidding purchase of tires and batteries for use of service vehicles assigned at maintenance, quality assurance, and planning and design sections. Skid marks, tires, and auto supplies is not blacklisted or barred from bidding by the government of the Philippines or any of its agencies, offices, corporations, or local government units, foreign government, foreign or international financing institution whose blacklisting rules have been recognized by the government procurement policy board. Each of the documents submitted in satisfaction of the bidding requirements is an authentic copy of the original, complete, and all statements and information provided therein are true and correct. Skid marks, tires, and auto supplies is authorizing the head of the procuring entity or its duly authorized representatives to verify all the documents submitted. I am not related to the head of the procuring entity, members of the Bids and Awards Committee, the Technical Working Group, and the back secretariat, the head of the Project Management Office or the End User Unit, and the project consultant by the consanguinity or affinity up to the third civil degree. Skid marks, tires, and auto supplies complies with the existing labor laws and standards. Skid, mark, Skid marks, tires, and auto supply is aware and has undertaken the following responsibilities as a bidder. Carefully examine all the bidding documents, knowledge on condition, local or the otherwise affecting the implementation of the contract, made an estimate of the facilities available and needed for the contract to be bid, inquire or secure bid bulletins, issued purchase of tires and batteries for the use of vehicle assignment maintenance, quality assurance, and planning design section. Skidmark Turn Supply did not give or pay directly or indirectly any commission amount, fee, or any form of consideration, pecuniary or otherwise, to any person or officials, personnel or representative of the government in relation to the procurement of project activity. In case advance payment was made or given, failure to perform or deliver any of the obligation and undertakings in the contract shall be sufficient grounds to constitute criminal liability or swindling. Commission of the fraud with unfaithfulness or abuse of confidence through misappropriating or converting any payments received by a person or entity under an obligation involving the duty to deliver certain goods or services to the prejudice of the public and the government of the Philippines pursuant to Article 315 of Act Number 3815 as amended or the revised penal code, duly signed and notarized.
So proceed to the next bidder, the third General Auto Specialist Incorporation.
We now open the bid proposal of Third General Auto Supply Specialist Incorporated, received at the Back Secretariat Office, August 13, 2025, 9:18 a.m. We have here the certificate of field registration, valid until September 12, 2025. We have here the business permit, valid until December 31, 2025. We have here the DTI certificate, valid until December 31, 2025. We have here the request for quotation and the omnibus sworn statement. I, Andre Julian, o
Yung income tax. since third General Auto Specialist Incorporation have not submitted the no attachment for the income and business tax return. So, uh, third General Auto Specialist Incorporation is non-compliant. So let's proceed to the third bidder, the Bruno Plains Vulcanizing and Tire Supply. Again, I ask Engineer Alfred to open the bid proposal submitted by Bruno Plains Vulcanizing and Tire Supply.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We now open the bid proposal of Bruno Glens Vulcanizing and Tire Supply, received at the Back Secretariat Office, August 13, 2025, 9:17 a.m. We have here the DTI certificate, valid until March 2, 2027. We have here the certificate of registration for quality. Uh, Request for quotation. Income tax.
Yeah.
Yun lang po ang nakatat ay nasa ano, sa ano niya, sa bid proposal niya.
Inject certificate. Wala. Thank you, Sir Alfred. So, Roanoke Lens Vulcanizing and Tar Supply have submitted an incomplete documents. It did not attach the field trip certificate and the income and business tax return. So it is non-compliant. So the three bidders for this particular project, Skidmark, Stars, and Auto Supplies, Third General Auto Special Incorporation, and Bruno Glens Vulcanizing and Tar Supply. We have one who have complied these documents, and the Skidmark, Stars, and Auto Supplies. The two are non-complying. So may I ask Engineer Alfred to open the financial uh, proposal submitted by Skidmark, Stars, and Auto Supplies.
So the total bid amount of Skidmark, Stars, and Auto Supplies is 623,000 pesos. 623.
Discount ng one. So thank you, Sir Alfred. So all documents submitted by Skidmark, Stars, and Auto Supplies will be turned over to the TWT to check, verify, scrutinize the truthfulness and veracity of all documents attached for this particular contract ID PR 2025-08-0120 and come out with the resolution and recommendation for the approval of the code. So, any, Ma'am Marvick, any announcement or additional? So, if none, so this ends our procurement activities for today, the opening of the two goods. So, thank you very much, the members of the BAC, the WG, the Secretariat, the IT, and the procurement unit. So, and also those are following us on the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, allotted time for these procurement activities. So that's in our procurement activities for today.